Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something very important, where to invest $1,000 this December. Now, before you say $1,000 is too small, remember that in Nigeria today, that is about 1.4 to 1.5 million naira. And if you use it well, that money can grow faster than you think. So let's break this down in a simple and practical way. First, let's start with the safest investment. Think of this as your foundation. If your foundation is strong, the rest of your investment will be stable. The safest place to put your money right now is in treasury bills and money market funds. This investment gives steady returns. They beat regular savings accounts and they don't come with unnecessary stress. If you are working with $1,000, put about 60% to 70% here. That is around $600 to $700. You can use trusted app like Piggyvest and Bluenest. Some of their savings and investment products offer up to 70% returns. And if you put 1 million naira or more into money market funds, you can earn between 18 to 25% interest a year. It is safe, it is simple, and it works. Avoid things like direct real estate or crypto if you are a beginner. This require more capital, more experience, and the rate is much higher. Now, let's talk about medium risk investment. This is where your money starts to grow faster. Put about 20% to 30% of your money here. That is around $200 to $300. This includes stock and ETFs. The Nigeria stock market has been performing well in sectors like banking and consumer goods, and some ETFs gained over 40% this year. You can start small using licensed apps like Bamboo. Use their tools, learn how the market works, and grow at your own pace. You should also put 10 to 20% of your money into dollar-denominated assets. The naira weakens often, so dollar investment protects your money from losing value. You can earn 10 to 40% from some dollar-based government bonds. Just be aware of conversion fee and taxes. Now, let's talk about the high-risk category like crypto. Crypto can make you money, but it can also wipe out your entire investment. Bitcoin is rising, Ethereum is upgrading, and the confidence is becoming back, but the risk is still very real. If you want to invest in crypto, keep it very small and only use money you can afford to lose. Always do your own research. Here is the simple breakdown. Put 50 to 70% of your money into safe investment. Put 20 to 30% into stock and dollar assets, and keep high risk investment at 0 to 10%. And only if you understand what you are doing. The goal is simple. Protect your money, grow it slowly, and avoid unnecessary risk. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to this channel for more. My name is Timmy Samuel. I will see you in the next one.